Hey everyone, Thomas here. Are you ready to eat your way to better health? Today I'm diving into some of the most nutritious cuisines from around the world that you absolutely must try. Let's get started. First up, we have the Mediterranean diet. Think fresh fruits and vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats like olive oil. This cuisine isn't just delicious, it's been shown to reduce the risk of heart disease and improve brain function. Plus, who doesn't love a good Greek salad? Next, let's head over to Japan for some traditional Japanese cuisine. Sushi, sashimi, and miso soup are packed with nutrients. The Japanese diet is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are great for your heart and brain. And let's not forget about the green tea, full of antioxidants to keep you feeling young and vibrant. Now, let's take a trip to India. Indian cuisine is bursting with spices and flavors. Turmeric, a staple in many Indian dishes, has powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Lentils, chickpeas, and other legumes offer a great source of plant-based protein. Plus, the variety of vegetarian options makes it easy to eat clean and healthy. Moving on, we have the traditional Chinese diet. This cuisine emphasizes balance and harmony. Think steamed vegetables, lean proteins, and plenty of rice. Chinese food often includes ingredients like ginger and garlic, which have immune-boosting properties. It's not just about what you eat, but how you eat it. Small, balanced portions are key. And let's not forget about the Nordic diet. Inspired by the eating habits of Denmark, Norway, and Sweden, this diet focuses on whole foods like root vegetables, fatty fish, and berries. It's rich in fiber, omega-3s, and antioxidants. The Nordic diet has been linked to lower rates of chronic diseases and improved overall health. Finally, let's explore some traditional Mexican cuisine. Think beans, corn, and a variety of colorful vegetables. Mexican food is rich in fiber and protein, and it often includes healthy fats from avocados and nuts. Just be mindful of portion sizes and opt for fresh homemade options when possible. So there you have it, folks. 5 nutritious cuisines that can help you eat your way to better health. Remember, it's all about balance and variety. Don't be afraid to try new things and mix it up in the kitchen. Thanks for watching, and here's to your health. Stay tuned for more tips and recipes. Until next time, take care.